Very welcome, my peeps or my followers. So this is the Raw Review Master, and I'm just quickly unboxing my battery for my EOS R6 camera. It's a bad boy. It runs, especially when you record videos, it runs pretty quickly on the batteries. So I've got quite a few of these. I bought two of these newer ones. As you can see, the focus is a little bit not too good, but it is I'll read it to you. It's the LP-E6NH, and it's a 2.7 volt, 2400 amperes, milliamperes, whatever, mAh. It means that it gives a bit more power, so it lasts a little bit longer. Pretty cool. I bought them on Amazon in Australia. I think they were about $40 each, or two of them. I've actually tested one and it's pretty cool. The nice thing I like about it, and this is the actual reason why I bought it, is it charges with a USB-C port. You see? USB-C. So you can plug it into your car. You don't have to have a wall socket, always trying to line up the three little prongs. What I like about it, it's the little things in life that I love. It's got a little Velcro strap as well, which keeps it nice and tidy when you carry this thing in your bag. What else is in the box? Let's see. Obviously the battery, and then a little, oh no, what is this? A little disposal caution, end of life, how to dispose it. Now that's just a leaf, it's not a full tree that they had to cut off for that book. And then you still get your 60 different languages, French, and you get it in Spanish, and then all kinds of begroot gebruikt in Nederland, in die voorwoord. And yes, pretty much obviously everything, and especially also in English. Again, that's useless. I'm 100% sure you can just scan one of these QR codes and you can get all the details. Just quickly, because it's a quick video. This is what it looks like. Nice and sand goby color. If you like me, I like greens and sandy colors. You get them in different colors. You get it in black as well. I only just opted for this one so that I know exactly which one is which. It's got a nice cover at the back. It just makes, those dogs, those little sausages. Anyway, it's got these, it just makes sure that you don't scratch these. So when you transport them, you just clip that bad boy back on. It actually fits the original battery as well. So pretty cool. And yes, the other nice thing about it, once you plug your little USB-C in, there's a little LED that shines red when it's charging, and it also then turns green when it's full. So I haven't actually tested it how long it charges, but look, if you leave it in the car, the one, take photos with the other one, it's pretty cool. I can recommend it. I actually have used it. It is pretty good, and Neewer is a very good brand according to me. I guess it's the rip-off brand of all the other big name camera stuff, but it works as well. I'm sure they make it in China in the same factory, and they use child labor possibly for the same stuff. I don't know. Hopefully not. But yes, it is written in Chinese in there, if you can see it. Yes. No idea what it says. Anyway, recommend it. Try it.